farming projects. With these few words, Bala, thank you, sir, for allowing us to have this.
Madam Vice Principal, my ministry staffs, the trainers from Ministry of Agriculture, dear participants, also like to acknowledge the presence of media and friends. Bulavinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm glad to be here to officially close this empowerment training. And after this, I'm going to close another empowerment training in Bala, and that is in regards to sports. I would like to acknowledge the assistance rendered by the Ministry of Agriculture staff. I also acknowledge the trainees and your commitment to this training over the last 3 days. I'm told that about 27 youth participants from 8 youth clubs participated in this training. And I would like to congratulate all of you and also express my appreciation to the trainers. Vinaka. As you all are aware, that we have been providing the agriculture material for farming to our youth clubs. And it became very important for us as a ministry to make sure that we have training such as this, so that you have that know-how. I mean, there is no point just going around throughout the country and distribute the materials, but it is also important at the same time to teach you the know-how. My Ministry for Youth and Sports, with our partner, the Ministry of Agriculture, is committed to provide focused and sustainable programs aimed at training the youths in agriculture. I can tell you something, that we have been reaching out to the unreached youths throughout the country, not just in Western Division. I don't want to be biased that I'm from Western, so I'm just going around in Western Division. But I can tell you the interest that is generated amongst our youths. And I can see one of the reasons that why this interest has generated, because the village elders are now coming forward, giving their lands to their sons and daughters to farm. And I have been saying this, that gone are the days for our elders. It is our turn now. We have to look after them. And we can only look after them if we have that skills amongst us. So, on that note, I want to congratulate all of you who are present here for coming up for this training. I personally feel that this training was very important for you people. And you can ask my ministry staff that I've been saying to them that we need to go out to our youths and give them this opportunity. And this is not the end. We will continue with trainings for our youth sector. We basically are more focused in promoting organic agriculture as our contribution and as said earlier on by the staffs of Ministry of Agriculture, to ensure sustainability in the face of the significant impact of the climate change that we face here in our country. Through our non-formal education training, we are providing equal opportunities to young persons who may have dropped out of the formal education system. And this is an opportunity and is looking for ways to succeed in life. This training also allows you to transfer the knowledge to the other farmers in your community. Dear participants, the Fijian economy has been challenged by the changing weather pattern, and thus the Fijian agriculture demand young and innovative minds to propel the country forward. It's you who can do it. We need an agriculture sector that is ready to bounce back. We need ecological stability that ensures that resources are available for our future generations. So here, we are doing all this for our elders and for our future generations. So a day will come when our future generations will say, thank you to our elders, and it will be you. And that is why I have been urging all our youths throughout the country, please make an effort. This is the time. This day and time will not come back. Plan for success so that you move to a small business, from a small to a medium business. But keep growing your business. Create employment for more young people like yourselves. Briefly, I just want to talk about the grants that we have within ministry. We have two types of assistance. One is the Youth Farm Initiative, where you get your club registered, and once your club is registered and recommended by the divisional office to the headquarters, the assistance will come to your doorsteps. The other assistance is that you need your club to be registered for 6 months. The club must be in place for 6 months, and you can apply for assistance. These are all for income generating projects. As a group. So please, when you go back, discuss all these avenues amongst your youth club members. You have that mind that can think all these income generating projects. And I want you to think about it. And once you are ready, let us know. We will come and we will assist you. Dear trainees, as you prepare to move to the next stage in your lives, I encourage you to reflect upon your experiences and consider how best you can utilize this valuable training in the near future. You are now in the perfect position to give back and serve as leaders in your communities. Don't just keep it to yourself, what you have learned here. Pass it on. You have the knowledge, as I've said earlier on. You have the confidence, and you are the future. As we conclude the training today, I hope that you have been able to sharpen your individual skill sets and knowledge. You will now look beyond the horizon at the goals you will set for yourselves. Goals that you can and will achieve. So with these few words, once again, congratulations. Remember, our future depends on all of you. Finally, I thank you all for your participation and trust that you will all return home better leaders. I now have the pleasure to declare this training closed. And with that, I would also like to wish you all a happy Diwali. Thank you and good night.